ahead and do. And you could dry brush it. Whatever.
I thought dry brushing is a lot, but then this stupid line is what I can do a lot.
Dry brushing is I tell
gonna
people,
show up.
no, it is one of the best techniques in painting, and you could use it equally when you're an experienced painter as when you're a beginner for different ways. Like I use it all the
Yeah,
time.
the trick is knowing when to stop.
Well, even if you don't, glazes will help you fix any kind of chalkiness. You just apply real thin, watered down glazes.
I used to do a lot of things, and then sometimes I get it. Wow, people say it's great already, but then I got to add more and more. It gets too bad. It's okay.
As long as you're happy with it.
It's a hobby.
Yeah, you're supposed to enjoy it. That's the thing about social media and like a community. Community is fantastic. However, when you have too many cooks in the kitchen, you have people will talk about, I know this isn't good for the video, Peter, I'm sorry, but paint how you paint. Enjoy it. Because at the end of the day, this is for you. All right, there we go. So we have a highlighted textured hat. We have some hair in there. And we have a finished face. And for tabletop quality, that's where we're gonna leave it. Were we doing display painting or something, we completely different approach to painting these figures, and from primer all the way up.